McKinsey just dropped a bomb. 400 million jobs vanish by 2027. Not maybe, not eventually. By 2027. Goldman Sachs ran the numbers on generative AI displacement. 300 million full-time jobs at risk globally. That's 1 in 4 workers on planet Earth, right now. Accounting jobs are bleeding out fastest. 44% of accounting work gets automated this decade. JPMorgan already replaced 360 traders with one AI system. 1. Radiologists thought they were safe. They weren't. AI reads X-rays faster than 94% of human radiologists. Now the real shock. Your job probably involves data entry, analysis, or customer service. Those 3 categories account for 2.3 billion displaced workers by 2027. McKinsey's research is clear. Not all jobs disappear. Jobs transform. The workers who upskill survive. The ones who don't get left behind. This isn't speculation anymore. It's earnings reports. It's C-suite strategy. It's happening right now in your industry. The question isn't if AI automation hits your role. The question is when and whether you'll be ready. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.